Another road trip for the jack wagon. Got a new addition for the garage that we're gonna go pick up. Heading out to the guys at Storm Guardian Generators. Thanks for taking delivery of our new lift for the garage. And we'll try to get a little bit of video of us installing it. Okay. Jack wagon. Another 6 or 7 inches. All right, new lift all loaded up, ready to go back to the house. Thanks again to the guys at Storm Guardian for all their help. Yeah, so now just get the skid steer to the house so we can get it off and get it inside the garage. Tired of crawling around on my back in the garage. Jack wagon's finally on a lift. Man, don't be like me. Don't be a jack wagon. 4 years after I started working on the car, I decided it's time to get a lift because my body's hurting. Thanks to the folks at Race Tools Direct. 72 hours when we ordered the lift, it showed up on our doorstep. Easy install. The jack wagon's up in the air. A lot simpler, a lot easier on my body. Start your project off right. Go get yourself a 2-post lift. Man, it's gonna make life a lot easier.